Hi guys, today we're going to be making homemade burgers, my dad's secret recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. Now for the messy part. If you like getting your hands dirty and then washing them again, you would be liking to do this. You have to squish it through your fingers. Like this. Squish it off. Do a tiny one for my baby sister, Bella. Take the rest to put in the freezer for another day. You put them like this in the freezer, about 2 hours then. You take them out, put them into a bag. Don't leave them like this in the freezer.